Hello teacher. Are you looking for a way to easily add page numbers to your documents? MS Word's page number feature can be extremely useful for this purpose. First select the Insert tab, and then select the page number icon. Secondly, select a location you wish the page number to appear in. That is top of the page, bottom of the page, page margins or current position. Thirdly, you will get a header and footer to position the page number. Lastly, you will again be able to see page number on the top left corner. Select Format Page Numbers if you want to change the numbering style or starting number. When done, select OK. Page numbers will generate automatically and will stay consistent even when you insert or remove a page from your Word document. With the page number feature, you can easily navigate your document and ensure that nothing has been missed. You can also choose from a variety of formatting options, such as the starting number, the position of the numbers, and more. For more such tech tips from Interscore that can help teachers like yourself learn new skills, save time, and navigate the digital world, subscribe to our YouTube channel.